In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify and feel your psoas muscle and release tension in it, which will help your low back and your pelvis feel super. Bring your fingers to your right side. Behind your muscles, behind your organs at the front of your spine is the psoas. It's a vertical muscle, goes up and down. Feel with your fingers. At the navel, it swoops forward. So make a swoop and touch the bone at the bottom, the pubic symphysis. And at the pubic symphysis, it makes a hard right turn and attaches to a bone at the top of your thigh. So here's how you find it. You approximate. You touch your sit bone, bone at the bottom of your pelvis, and you take your finger and you press it onto your thigh. So the bone that the psoas attaches to is above where you can touch, but you can approximate it. And so right now you are approximating two ends of the same muscle. Breathe. When you lift your leg, you can feel that the space between your fingers gets shorter, and when you bring your leg back, you can feel the space lengthen. So when you bring your leg up, the muscle fibers slide together or contract, and when you bring your leg back, the muscle fibers lengthen or stretch. Let your arms shake out. So just from having tuned into the location of your psoas, location is the first piece of embodiment. Is there a difference in how you feel the two sides of your body? So is there a difference in your breath? Does your breath feel fuller? Is it any easier to bend? Take a walk, do you feel any difference in your walking? I just feel looser on that side. So what happens with the psoas, because remember the psoas contracts with sitting, when we have a culture of sitting in our modern day, we get this kind of compression in the psoas, which creates compression in the low back, compression in the pelvis, and leads to pain. Embodiment is the first step away from pain because you can identify where the tightness and pain are coming from. Here we go, second side. Bring your fingers up to the top, right below the ribs. So the psoas attaches all the way up there, behind the muscles, behind the organs, on the front side of the spine. There it is. So bring your fingers down so you're helping your brain get, oh, there it is. Right below the navel, it starts its swoop forward. So make your swoop, touch the pubic bone, the bone you can feel in the front, and there it makes a hard right turn, goes back. So here's how we approximate the back. Underneath your butt, find your sit bone. Then bring your finger onto your thigh, onto the thigh. So you're pressing into the thigh bone or the thigh muscle. You can't touch the bone because you have all those adductors. And the little bone where it attaches, the lesser trochanter, is above where you can touch, but you can image it. You're picturing, so you're touching your body and you're using your mind and picturing your anatomy. So you're doing 3 of the 5 steps of embodiment right here, and you breathe. So when you lift your leg, feel how your fingers get closer together. When you lengthen your leg back, feel how your fingers get further apart. So lift your leg up, fingers, psoas shortens, fingers move closer together. Put your leg back. Fingers move away from each other, psoas fibers lengthen. Let your arms shake out. Breathe. Did whatever kind of benefit you felt on the first side make it to the second side? Do you feel any looser in your hips? Take a walk. Notice if you feel any different in your walk. I just feel looser in my low back. So a way that you can use this embodiment is when you're walking, imagine your legs walking from way up here at the top of your psoas. That instead of your legs moving from down here at your hip joints, they're swinging from the top of your psoas. It's just an image. Of course, they're not exactly swinging from the top of your psoas, but if you image it, does it feel more relaxed in your hips and your low back? This has been your introduction to your psoas muscle. I hope you enjoy it. My name is Christa. I help people get out of pain. We use embodiment because most pain is caused by a way people move over time that's not ideal for your body. That way of moving over time that's not ideal causes tension. Tension leads to pain. Pain leads to injury. And we can reverse engineer all of that so injury, pain, and tension leave your body and you can pursue all of your goals without pain. You might learn everything you need in the videos here on this channel, but if you want personalized help, there's a link below you can use to book a time to meet with me. Here's to a relaxed, strong psoas for you. Please share in the comments what you felt, from embodying your psoas? Picturing, touching, sensing, what kind of change you experience.